Hello, Stephen Paul with Fritzy Brothers. Today I'm going to show you how to make a monkey climbing a palm tree. You're going to use 3 balloons. You're going to use a green one, a light tan, and a brown balloon. First, the green balloon. You're going to blow up all the way to the end except for just about an inch. First the balloon, let a little bit of air out. Tie the knot. Press all the air up into the part that there is no air. Take half of the balloon and twist it. Take another half of the balloon and twist it. Go ahead and tie the 2 ends together. Take it and put it inside each other just like this. Join these ends so that it looks like a football. Take it and press it together and twist it. And there you have the top of the palm tree. Then you take the dark brown balloon. This is going to be for the stem or the trunk of the palm tree. Blow it all the way up to the end, except for about an inch. Burp the balloon, leave a little air out. I like to make about 3 coconuts. So an inch balloon, twist it about 5-6 times, and do the same 2 more times. So we're going to have 3 coconuts. Join them together, twisting that around and through, which will lock that in place, giving you your 3 coconuts. Now you're going to take this part here and the center of the top of the tree, join them together and pull it around 4 of the leaves. And there you have the stem or the trunk and the top of the palm tree. For the monkey, the light, nice tan balloon. Once again, blow it all the way up to the end, except for about 2 inches. Burp the balloon. You're going to start with the nose of the monkey, which is about 2 inches. Take it and twist it about 5-6 times. And then take a loop, just about 3 inches on each side. Go ahead and pull it together and twist that. 2 or 3 times is sufficient. Then you're going to take the nose and push it through that loop. So you'll have the nose and the ears. You're going to make another inch for the neck. Another loop for the front legs. Leave about 2 inches for the body. And another loop. Twist it. And just kind of twirl that tail a little bit. There's your monkey. Then you're going to take the monkey, push the palm tree through the front part and through the back legs. And there you have your monkey climbing a palm tree. Click the like button, make a comment, and subscribe to Fritzy Brothers.